Hello students, welcome back to your maths class. Today's topic is very interesting. We are learning about circles. From coins to wheels, circles are everywhere. Let's explore their paths and some amazing properties. Let's get started. A circle is a closed curve where all the points on the boundary are at the same distance from a fixed point. This fixed point is the center, and the distance from the center to any point on the circle is the radius. When you use a compass to draw a circle, the pointed end stays at the center and the pencil draws the circular boundary. Now, let's learn some important parts of a circle. First, we see radius. Distance from the center to any point on the circle is called radius. Here, r is the radius. Now, we see the diameter. A chord passing through the center is called diameter. In the figure, it is represented by d. It's twice the radius. So, d is equals to 2r. Now, we learn about the circumference. The boundary length of the circle is called circumference. Circumference is equals to 2 pi r. Now we see chord. A line joining two points on the circle is called chord. The longest chord is the diameter. Now we come to the next point called sector. The region enclosed by two radii and the arc like a pizza slice is called sector. Segment. The region between a chord and the arc is called segment. Let's add a few more terms that are often asked in exams. Secant. A line that cuts a circle at 2 points, it extends beyond the circle. It looks like a longer chord. Now we see tangent. A line that touches the circle at one point is called tangent. This point is called the point of contact. Very important related to the tangent, that a tangent is always perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. Now let's talk about some very interesting properties you must remember. Angle in a semicircle. An angle subtended by a diameter on the circumference is always a right angle or 90 degrees. Example, if a triangle is formed with the diameter as one side, it always be a right angle triangle. Children, now we learn about the cyclic quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is cyclic if all its four vertices lie on a circle. The sum of the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is always 180 degrees. That means angle A plus angle C is equals to 180 degrees and angle B plus D is equals to 180 degree. Similarly, if the sum of the opposite angles of any quadrilateral is 180 degree, then it is said to be a cyclic quadrilateral. Let's summarize what we have learned today. A circle is a round, closed figure with a fixed center and radius. We covered radius, diameter, chord, arc, segment, sector, tangent, and secant. We have also learned the special properties that includes angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is equals to 180 degrees. That's all for the today's class on circle. In the next session, we solve some example problems. Until then, keep practicing.